Welcome to qnawire.
Here we're asked how to solve for the calculations in part C of this lab experiment, and essentially what we require is the info from the lab session. In particular, while you were doing the lab session, the information that you're going to find is going to be, first of all, the freezing point of the solution of ethylene glycol. This is going to come from the observation of crystals in solution, in the solution, while you were repeating the steps 3 to 5 over here, and you're going to record that value for Tf. The change of the freezing temperature would be equal to the freezing point of the solution minus the freezing point of water, which is 0 degrees Celsius. So the change of freezing point would be equal to the freezing point of the solution. Remember that this is going to be equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now with that information, your professor is going to tell you how many grams of solid he employed and how many kilograms of solvent were used in order to prepare the ethylene glycol solution. And with that, you just need to replace all of the values on this equation. Remember that the value for Kf in the case of water is that of 1.86 degrees Celsius per mole of solid times kilogram of solvent. So that is why, in this case, the operation is going to give you the correct result. Okay? So with that, it would be all. Just review the values that you've got from your experiment. These are the three quantities that you require. The delta T of freezing coming from your lab report, the grams of solid and the kilograms of solvent employed to obtain the ethylene glycol solution. That those values are going to be provided by your instructor. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.